Hello there, everyone. Ever come across a jaw-dropping 17,000% profit from just 400 trades? Well, that's the remarkable feat my ChatGPT bot accomplished, and the best part? I'm generously sharing all the intricate details with you, completely free. No holding back. I'm even taking you through a step-by-step guide to help you create a top-tier boat that delivers outstanding results, much like this winning strategy. If you like this strategy, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. Your support works wonders for boosting this content in the algorithm. Bodhi, let's discuss platforms. I'm currently thriving on TradingView. The sign-up link is in the description, and yes, it won't cost you a dime. Everything I showcase in this video comes with a price tag of 0. Now, let's delve into the numbers on your screen. I'll visually demonstrate on the chart how this bot operates and the types of trades it enters. Net profit takes the center stage. Log into your TradingView. Check the performance summary and those question marks. Click on them. They provide a quick breakdown of each stat. Understanding net profit is crucial. It's essentially gross profit minus gross loss. Next up, we've got the run-up, the dreamy maximum gain on a trade, and drawdown, it's reverse. Ever thought about the buy and hold return? If we bought Bitcoin and simply let it sit in our wallet, we'd have enjoyed 143% profit during this strategy's operation. That's our benchmark, and we're proudly exceeding it. Let's not overlook the Sortino and Sharpe ratios, the brains behind risk assessment. Sharpe's reward to variability ratio is the go-to, and the Sortino ratio is the pessimist, focusing solely on the downside. Both are crucial. And guess what? The formula is right there, auto-calculating on our chart for continuous improvement. Interested in the profit factor? It's the cash your trading strategy brings in for every unit lost. Ours stands at a robust 1.9. And oh, the commission base? It's a game changer. My profit would soar if I turned a blind eye to it. Total closed trades play a pivotal role. Having a substantial sample size is crucial. I'd suggest aiming for anything above 3, 4, or 500 trades for a robust analysis. A common pitfall in strategy development is creating one with a limited number of trades, perhaps just 12. This small sample size doesn't provide enough insight into the strategy's real-time effectiveness. While backtesting inherently has its flaws, we employ robustness training techniques to refine and address these issues. In this strategy, the number of winning trades is actually lower than the losing trades, emphasizing the need for effective risk management to navigate losses. Each breakout presents an opportunity, and consistent application of proper risk management techniques can enhance your net profit. Winning every trade isn't essential. Perfection is unattainable in strategy. The goal is to tilt the odds in your favor without succumbing to excessive greed. Another critical aspect is comparing the average winning trade to the average losing trade. Minimizing the average losing trade while ensuring the average winning trade exceeds it establishes your risk margins. Additionally, keeping an eye on the average bars in trades is crucial. Excessive trading can deplete your accounts. A successful strategy should hold for a reasonable duration, with clear entry and exit points, backed by real logic for profitable outcomes. This rule set guides the strategy as if you were trading in real time, but in this case, it's connected to a trading bot working tirelessly while you sleep. Now, let's examine some trades on the chart. A stellar long entry, starting at the beginning of a candle, holding through and then transitioning into a short at a specific point, yielding a 7.6% trade. Quite commendable. Similarly, a 7.8% short trade showcases the strategy's effectiveness. Step 1 involves registering for a free OpenAI account to leverage ChatGPT for coding. The platform allows natural language prompts to generate code, though it has some coding limitations. However, the upcoming ChatGPT models, like ChatGPT 3, present exciting possibilities. As a community, we're navigating this learning curve together, exploring language models from various tech giants such as Google, Microsoft, and Facebook. While ChatGPT currently struggles to create an entire trading strategy from scratch, it excels in enhancing existing templates. To capitalize on this, I've devised a creative approach. We'll tap into the public database of TradingView indicators, asking ChatGPT to refine and convert them into a strategy. The best part? You don't need coding expertise for this approach. To get started, sign up for TradingView using the link provided in the description for a free account. No strings attached. Now, let's initiate the process. Click on the Indicators tab and explore the public database of community scripts. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on a simple strategy using Bollinger Bands. Select the Bollinger Bands. And now, there are no predefined long or short entries in this script. It functions purely as an indicator, visually signaling price breakouts. The next step is to delve into the source code. Hover over the indicators, MBB in the top left, click on the brackets to open up the source code. Unlock it by clicking the 3 dots in the top right. Make a script copy and name it as you prefer. Checking the version, we find it's in version 3. Since the newest PineScript version is 5, we'll convert it. Click the 3 dots in the right-hand corner, select Convert to V4, then Convert to V5. Now, the script is in version 5. Copy it and head back to ChatGPT. Paste it in and recognize that it's an indicator, not a strategy. Manually change it to a strategy to save time. Now instruct ChatGPT on what you want to achieve with this strategy. Use a prompt like code a strategy in Pine script, enter a long when the price closes above the upper Bollinger Band, and short when the price closes below the lower Bollinger Band. This is designed to capture breakouts when Bollinger Bands expand. After running the prompt, examine the generated code. It builds upon the Bollinger Bands indicator as a template. Check the logic for long and short entries. Ensure it's clear. Copy the code and return to TradingView. Overwrite the existing code, addressing any errors that may arise. For instance, replace crossover and cross under with TE for the updated Pine script version. Resolve any issues, especially those related to strategy exits. Utilize if conditions to handle short entries and eliminate unnecessary code. Confirm the logic, exit long on short entry, and vice versa. Save the changes. The orange alerts you're seeing are nothing to fret about. Simply ignore them. Add the script to your charts to observe its performance, and it's not disappointing. While we're not at an extraordinarily high percentile yet, bear in mind that this is the initial prototype. However, it's already capturing some notable breakouts. For instance, there's a successful long entry here, followed by a swift flip to short, effectively navigating a significant market drop. This is precisely the kind of performance we're aiming for, providing a solid foundation to build upon. Returning to the Pine editor, the next enhancement is introducing compounding interest. This means the strategy will reinvest any profits back into itself, gradually compounding over time. I've incorporated this feature by setting an initial capital of 1,000, which you can freely adjust, and the strategy will invest 100% of its equity in each trade, creating a compounding effect. Saving the changes and checking for errors, none found. We head back to the strategy tester and discover a 625% profit on the 3-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is also looking promising, with profitability across various time frames. While shorts seem less successful, we may need to tweak some exit conditions. The next step involves fine-tuning the strategy. As a drill building process, consider adding different exit conditions. For example, exiting a position when the price crosses the middle line, or incorporating RSI conditions for oversold scenarios. Stacking these conditions for confluence can potentially enhance results. Additionally, explore settings like Bollinger Band length. For instance, adjusting the length to 40 instead of 34 may provide smoother outcomes. Continuously experiment with values to achieve the desired measurement. Check across different time frames and assets to ensure consistent performance. Testing the strategy on Ethereum's chart yields intriguing results, especially on the 12-hour and 8-hour time frames. However, keep in mind that entry and exit conditions, as well as settings, can be adjusted for different scenarios. Demonstrating a quick example, you might want to add more exit conditions, such as closing a long position if the close is below the middle line. This logic is implemented by using an OR condition for exit criteria, considering factors like price crossing the baseline. Finally, incorporating commission and reviewing trade metrics in the list of trades can provide a more realistic view of your bot's performance. Dive into the specifics, analyzing each trade's entry time, profitability, and drawdown. Remember, this is a meticulous craft, requiring forward testing and paper trading before considering real money. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, Coinvantage, now is the perfect moment to join the community. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to receive timely updates on our latest videos. We appreciate your viewership, and we look forward to having you with us on this exciting journey. Until next time.